First, we need to search Kaiber. You just search it in the Google and you will get a first link, Kaiber, kaiber.ai. You will get a link. It's just a simple process. Just log in as if you are doing for the FB, like Instagram, how you do the login. Same like this. You just need. Once you enter your login and like your email ID and everything, you will ask for the credit card details or card details. You just go on it without any fear. I am guarantee for you that it will ask only $5 as a pre-installment, and it will charge you only $0 for first 7 days. I will let you know how to cancel the billing after once the editing got over. Do the payment option and get your account get ready. Then select this. Select your files from your whatever you want. Choose your photos or either videos. Once you choose the videos or like photos, just click on continue and select whatever you want, like portrait or like secret garden. It is just an effect. You just either give continue or like if you want to write something, then you can write it. I did some of my project, and these are the things like I wrote some of the words like keywords: lion, cheetah, golden thunder, laser effect, and black leopard. So Rolls Royce car. This is what I wrote for our current project. So the AI will capture only some of it, like whatever it can capture. So you can't make sure whatever the AI will capture is everything what you wrote. Here it is a credit point, and 10 credit points is equal to one video. It's of only 8 seconds. More than that, per every 1 second, it will be cost 5 credit point. And here the referral code is there. If you refer to some of your friends and they log in, they will get 1,000 credit point. And this is what the plan. You can start as a trial period, then go for it. Then I will let you know how to cancel the billing. I already told you, like. Now I quickly let you know that how to cancel your billing. Just enter your email in this box and click on the send button. Then you will go to the you will get a link on your Gmail, like whatever you are logged in. There you will get a notification, and just go to that page, and you will get a link. There you should just click a link like this. You will get it in your mail. So just click it, and you will go through to the customer supports. There you can change your there will be option called change. Let's see how our portrait is coming. Like I mentioned here, muscular lion, cheetah, tiger, golden thunder, laser effect, and Rolls Royce car. We'll see how it will come. So many people are using, so the website is very damn slow. So I just skipped the loading time. Now this is what we wrote. So once your 100% is over, then you can go for the download, and you can go it will directly download it in your PC, and you can see it. We'll see whether the lion is there or Rolls Royce is there. Mountains I wrote, cheetahs I wrote. We'll see what will happen for the AI. Ensure that your internet is very stable, because this will take so long time. Here we got our AI processed video. We'll see whether the lion is there or cheetah is there. Rolls Royce. Oh my god, our Rolls Royce 90s model came, and cheetah came, tiger came, mountains and laser effect also came. Yeah, it's pretty good. It was capturing all the keywords what we gave. I think it was pretty good. Like it was capturing all the words. And here some of my projects I wrote. Like I used my credit point, like whatever I'm getting in my backup, I used it. And let's see how it was coming. I'm just uploading it in my Insta page and the YouTube channel. Just go through it. Thanks for watching.